Today I'm going to describe the characteristics of mealworms with my students. And then we're going to talk about different learning plans. I can describe characteristics of mealworms during stages of the life cycle. I can describe the stages of the life cycles of mealworms. I can write an informational essay about the life cycle of mealworms. Some of the vocabulary we'll be using during the lessons is living, water, air, food, insects, mealworm, darkling beetle, eggs, larva, pooper. First, I'm going to have the give students time to observe their mealworms by placing it on a paper plate. And then I'm going to review the scientific observations. And then I'm going to make sure they understand how to be respectful and safe about the mealworms. And then I'm going to guide the students as they set up a viable 2 worms to observe through their life cycle. And then during the observation, I'm going to have students give opportunities, discuss their observation and predictions with their partner at the group. Once the students have written their essays, I will have them read it to their partner. Then we're going to read something called the environment out of insects and plants. And I also want to read what makes an insect an insect. And also I'm going to read insects' life cycles and life goes around. I'm also going to have students write a practice observation for larva, pupa, darkling beetles, and provide a word roll with important mealworm structures, in other words, to scaffold correct spelling. I'm also going to use graphic organizers to support students as they plan their essay. Have students write an essay. Then I'm going to check in for understanding by circulating and checking observations to make sure they're empirical and descriptive, not opinions. I'm also going to check their drawings because they're also going to draw drawings of their beetles and their pupas and their larvae. And they're going to be colorful, detailed, and then I'm going to check that and assess their essays for content and understanding. The main goal for my lesson was to pretty much describe the characteristics of the mealworms during the life cycles and describe the stages of the life cycles of the mealworm, and for the students to write an informational essay about the life cycles of the mealworms.
Look up.
And I hope that they can successfully do this. Thank you.
You're welcome.